Hi guys, we'd like to take you along our 80-day winter trip from Georgia out to Quartzsite, Arizona and back with 22 stops, 6 states, and 4,800 miles. We'll give you quick reviews of the campgrounds we stay in, places that we go, fun stuff that we do, and ugly stuff that happens too. Thanks for coming along for the ride with us. Here was our next stop. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 Can-Am motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
We love Mississippi and wanted to check out Vicksburg, so we made a reservation at Rivertown Rose in Vicksburg for 3 nights. We did a lot in a short period of time here and really enjoyed ourselves. With 200 spacious sites, Rivertown Rose Campground is Vicksburg's largest, and it's just minutes from downtown and 9 miles from the scenic Mississippi River.
Hello.
Karen Watts.
Y'all give me 1 second. I will get in my car and I will take y'all to y'all site.
Pull through 197? Okay, thank you. It's also a good location for exploring Mississippi rich history, river casinos, and attractions. We actually came in the wrong entrance. If we would have gone just a little further down the road, we would have saw the actual entrance. But luckily the host was right there at that building, and she took us through the park to get to our site. Rivertown Rose Campground offers large sites for big rigs with more room than other campgrounds we have stayed in. We were in their longest pull-through, which was about 100 feet long. With many sites over 70 feet, they welcome rigs of all sizes, making it a great RV resort for big rigs. Rivertown Rose Campground features 85 pull-through and 57 back-end sites, all with full hookups, 20, 30, 50 amp electric. Amenities include a pool, bathhouse, and laundry facilities, making it convenient for long-term RV stays and one of the top RV resorts in Mississippi. We found the hosts very friendly and helpful and would stay here again. While we were there, we toured the Vicksburg Battlefield and the USS Cairo Museum, an antique mall downtown near the river, watched the Mardi Gras Parade, and had some great Mississippi food. A lot of people live here because they have the big, what are they, like 60-pound propane?
Yeah, 80 pounders, 100 pounders.
Yeah. It's quiet. It's nice, full hookup.
Yeah.
Staff is really nice. It's a big campground. There's a lot of people in here, so apparently people like it. You have picnic tables at each one. They got dumpsters. If you call them ahead of time, tell them you need propane, you can just put your tank out in front of your RV. They will come pick it up, fill it, and bring it back. And then the nice thing is, almost all of them are pull-throughs. Everything in the middle is pull-throughs, and everything on the outside edge is back end. So it's nice to have pull-throughs. We got the longest pull-through site here. end. We'll cross over to the other side. And look at this area. This is where I was first looking to get a site, because these are really long out here. They're really long out here. But she suggested that I didn't. And I noticed there's hardly anybody over here. See how long these are? Like that's number 70. I mean, they could put a lot of people in here with long rigs.
Yeah.
So I don't know if they just don't want to try to maintain them, or I don't know.
I don't know what's going on. Where they try to keep everybody gathered up. I don't know.
Yeah, well, there's a few down here, but maybe they're here a little longer than what we were. Yeah, let me see what it says. It shows shower and laundry. Yes, you are correct. Well, this is nice. Looks like it's $1.75 and it takes quarters. You can get change in here as well. $1.50 to dry. And they're working. And they got a huge place for you to fold your clothes. It smells really good in here. That's nice. And you can sit out here on the porch while you're waiting for your laundry to get done. I didn't see a shower. Maybe that's on the back. Yep, there we go. A couple more showers in here. Very nice. Smells clean. These don't have a code. Tell me about the bathhouse.
Clean, old, but nice.
Yeah.
Couldn't run the hot water out.
And it's good pressure?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
go check. They will give you a code. Smell good. I like the wood doors. Well, I know Dave liked the size of it too. Yes, a shower curtain and a big door. Oh, there you go. There they are. When you go to the Vicksburg National Military Park, you can pick up one of these flyers. It'll give you information about the war, and it'll even do it date by date on here. And it'll give you the trail or the road that you're going to drive through. And then when you get to each stop, you'll see that they're numbered. You could go to the app and listen to what happened at that particular area. You can also read about it on the back of the brochure that they give you here. By the way, you can go to the internet and get the National Park Services app. Download it, and you will get interactive maps, park tours, amenities, accessibility, offline use, sharing your visits, things to do, and all that sort of thing on this app. And that is where we were able to listen to the park information as we went by each of the numbered sites. When you go into the center there, we recommend that you go into the theater, because you can watch a movie about the war before you go out there for a little better understanding. It's an example of what you hear at each of the locations that are numbered. And here's a couple of pictures while you listen to it.
The assaults of May 22nd were heroic, but futile attempts. Here, soldiers attempted to drive out the 26th Louisiana Infantry from its positions at the crest of the hill before you.
Well, here's the final resting place of all these soldiers that died in this war. Goes on and on and on and on.
Okay, this is where the Confederacy was. Right here. In the battle. And this is a view from the Confederacy angle of Vicksburg. And the Union was right over there. That's where they were. And in this field right here is where they just went at it, battled it out. Well, they say some 23,000 people killed each other out here.
While you're on the tour, don't forget to stop to see the gunboat USS Cairo. It is there for you to go through as part of the tour, and there's a museum there. Right along the river are all these painted murals on this real long wall.
It's called the Levee.
The Levee.
There's a big door that closes in there when the flood comes.
Oh. Pretty cool.
Or they lower a big door into it.
Goes on and on.
It does. That's pretty cool.
There's the train depot. That's a museum.
Levee Street Marketplace.
Old Depot Museum. While driving down Levee Street on the river, we saw those murals and stopped at the Levee Street Marketplace. It's basically antiques, but much more, and it's a lot bigger than it looks. They have a lot of neat things, and we visited with President Trump. After that, we went up to Washington Street and watched the Mardi Gras Parade with bands, cars, dancers, and even Can-Am spiders. We are in downtown Vicksburg, Mississippi. They're having a Mardi Gras Parade today.
Oh, to see some boobies. One dude the whole time.
Miss Mississippi.
There's the clean mud puppy. He's got a leg hanging out.
Uh-huh. The Can-Am. That would fit on the back of the tote. Maybe.
I love it. Come on up here. Put it up.
Spiders! All of them spiders. All right. Yeah. I like her hat. White girl wasted.
After that, we went to Rusty's restaurant and had some of the best seafood ever. We liked it so much we came back a second time. The night before we left, we went to Billy's Italian restaurant, which was very good. And then stopped at the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory attached to the restaurant and picked up some treats. If you're interested in making a reservation at Rivertown Rose, you could just go online at rivertownrose.com and you can see where you can view on the map. You can see what's available on the dates that you put in. The blue areas there show you which ones are available, and you can click on each one, and each one will have pictures, the pricing, information about that site. You scroll down and you will see the different types of sites that they have. Put in your equipment type, your length, your slide outs. Choose the location that you want, add it to your cart, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.